is the second session of the Mulesoft Interview questions, which is related to Dataweave. If you have not gone through the first session, I would highly recommend to go through that and come back here. So in this session, we will look into a problem. Say this is the payload. Payload is basically an array which consists of 5 objects, and we have 3 key value pairs in each object. Okay, one is a name, one is a date, and there is a price. So the question is, we want the price of all product that has not expired. Okay, if you see here, today is June 18th. So any date which is above June 18, we need to pick those products. We need to find the price of those products, right? So if you see here, this has expired, this has expired, this has expired, this is not expired, and this is 2023, right? So basically I need these two price to be added, right? So it should be 225. So how can we approach this? Let me copy this. Okay, so we have the payload, right? So first we will check how we can use today's date, right? So for that we can use the now function as date, right? So this now as date is giving you today's date, but if you see the format, it is a bit different, right? Here year comes first, then month, then date, and in the payload it is the reverse way. So we will format it. Format, then colon, then within double quotes I can give I want date first, then month, then the year, right? So it is separated by slash. So if we see here, this date and this date matches, right? So let me put it inside a variable. So I'll copy it from here, then I'll put var today equals pasted. Okay, then then I'll use the filter function on top of the payload, right? So I write payload filter based on what I have to filter, based on the expiry date, right? So $dot expiry date, it should be greater than today. So it means that the expiry date should be above today's date, right? So if we see here, we can see those two products which I mentioned earlier, which is jam and coffee powder, which has not expired because the expiry date is greater than today's date, right? One is in 2023 and one is the day after tomorrow, right? Okay, so I'll put this one as well inside a variable. Let me call it as var filtered products is equal to, sorry, copy, paste it, right? So if I call the filtered product, then I should get the these two objects, right? From this I need the price, right? So if I give dot price, it will give you the price. So the requirement is to add up these two numbers, right? You can either use a reduce function or you can use a sum function. First I'll show how we can use the sum function, right? You can just give sum. This is one way, so it is giving 45 plus 180, whatever it is, 225. Or we can use the reduce, right? I can use the reduce dollar plus dollar, right? Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching the video. If you like the content, please subscribe to the channel. Please let me know any suggestion about the session in the comments. And if you would like me to include any topic in Mule 4, please let me know in comments. Thank you.